Hello guys, this is the 8th lesson for the Arabic alphabet. The 8th letter is Dal. In this lesson you will learn how to pronounce the letter and how to pronounce the letter with the short and long vowels and how to recognize the letter in a word and finally how to write the letter correctly. Arabic letters can be hard to pronounce, but after learning these tricks you will be able to pronounce Dal perfectly. Dal. It's pronounced from the tip of the tongue goes to the upper incisor. Dal. Each letter in the Arabic language has 3 long vowels and 3 short vowels, but it's so easy to learn. The short vowels for the letter Dal are Da, Do, Di. And the long vowels for the letter Dal are Da, Do, Di. Letters in the Arabic language change their form based on the location of the letter in the word and the letters connected to it. For example, in Dumya, which means a doll, it's at the beginning of the word. And in Adil, it's a name Adil, it's in the middle of the word. And in Asad, which means lion, it's at the end of the word but it's connected to the letter before it. And in Ward, which means flower, it's at the end of the word but it's not connected to the letter before it. To write the letter Dal, you have to draw a diagonal line, then a curved line, and you are done.